Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. So today I'm going to be doing just an everyday look, a look I would do right before I'm rushing to work. So it's just going to be a very simple, quick tutorial of all the things that I usually use on an everyday basis before I get there. And I do the same face like almost every single day. So stay tuned. I really think that next time I should time myself, because when I used to go into the office for work, I would literally do this maybe 10 minutes before I'm supposed to be there, and I think it looked good, but I don't know, maybe because I'm in front of the camera that it might just take a little bit longer. But I'm gonna try to do this fast makeup look that still looks beat. Whoops. Damn. And it broke. So I'm just gonna go over my eyebrows one more time, but this time I have the ColourPop something like a dip brow. This is actually my first time using this. Usually I like to stick to the pencils. I don't know why, but we'll see how this goes. So I'm just gonna go over what I already did and hopefully it works out. One thing I can add is that using this, it's a lot smoother. Like the lines are more defined. So I do like that about this type of brow. I'm trying not to do them too dark. And if I didn't shape it good enough with this, I'm just gonna line it up better with my concealer. So I really don't worry too much about how perfect I'm doing my eyebrow with the pencil or with this this right here, because I know how to shape it. So this is one of my all-time favorite concealers, and it's by I believe it's CoverGirl's Master Conceal, and it's in shade 40 medium. And I'm just gonna use this. It's really light, but I'm just gonna use this for my my brows, just to line them up really nice. And just go ahead and put that on my palm, and I dab it just a little bit with my brush on both sides, and I try to flatten out as I dab it, just so it can get flat, so I can line it up real nice. Sometimes I do the top too. Most of the times I don't, but I will today because, yeah, I just need to clean them up just a bit more, because I did use something that I normally don't use. I usually use the pencil, but it broke, so I'm just gonna be lining it up like this. And I really like light concealers. I don't know why. I love the really bright concealer. I like that look. I like that light concealer look under the eyes and underneath the eyebrows. I don't know why. So I'm just gonna clean it up, the brush just a little bit, get some of that residue off, and I'm just gonna go in and, you know, blend it out. So this concealer is, it dries a bit faster than the other concealers I'm used to. So you kind of gotta work a lot faster with this one. So right now I'm just concealing my dark spots, and if I have time, then I might do this for my everyday quick makeup routine, but you know, I don't always do it. So I won't be applying primer. Ever since I started working from home, like, my skin has changed so much. It used to be so oily, like an oil slick, but now it's more on a combination to dry side. And which is crazy because a lot of my makeup is matte makeup, and I got a lot of matte products for my oily skin, but now it's changed. So now I gotta go and get so much makeup, but that ain't no problem. It's still matte though. So this is my MAC makeup. This is the Matchmaker foundation. When my skin was oily, this foundation was perfect. I still love it. I still think it's like my best shade out of all the foundations that I own. I still think this is my best one. I am looking for like the perfect foundation for me. The perfect foundation for me. But in the meantime, this will do. I love this MAC Matchmaker foundation. And I won't be doing an eyeshadow. Not for everyday look. I do not do eyeshadows. It takes me entirely too long. All matte foundations, concealers do dry fast. I guess it's that drying agent to make it mattify your skin. So when you put it on, you need to hurry up and rub it in and do whatever you need to do with it, because it's gonna dry out and it's gonna stick and you just gonna look a mess. And we don't want to look a mess. So if you got matte makeup, you need to work with the quickness. And I'm used to that because that's what I would do my 5-minute makeup face when I have 7 minutes to get to work. And still make it on time, barely. But yeah, and then also this MAC Matchmaker is buildable coverage, so I'm gonna go back in and put some more. Cause that first go around wasn't enough. Now I'm just apply to the skin. Here, right here, down now. Don't forget the neck curl. Let me fix my crown. Now usually I would go in and conceal my under eye with the same concealer I use for my eyebrow, but I really love ColourPop's No Filter concealer. I don't know, it works perfectly and this is great. So even though I use this for my everyday, I think I'm gonna just go with the ColourPop. And plus it's not, I don't think it's a matte concealer, so maybe that's why I'm liking it more. Can never draw a straight line. Never. And I usually blend it out with my beauty blender, but I'm trying to do some new techniques. So I'm just gonna use that same foundation brush that I use and blend it out like that. I love concealer. I'm gonna use my Sasha setting powder. With the same brush, I'm gonna go in and use my bronzer. And so what I used to do for my everyday makeup look, I do just a quick liner and then lashes. I'm just gonna start off with some regular mascara, and this is just Wet n Wild. Off camera, I just line my lower lashes with the NYX white eye pencil. I'm gonna be using ColourPop for my upper lash line. So now I'm gonna be applying my Kiss blowout lashes. I'm gonna cut them because they are entirely too long for my lash line. Just gonna take a small portion off the front. A quick fix. So I'm just gonna line my lips with the BFF3 from ColourPop. Before I forget, I'm gonna be using my Morphe highlighter, and this is in Mirage. And it's really gonna like warm up. It warms up with the finger, which I love. And I'm gonna put that under my brow too, just to give it just a little I'm using my favorite blush from Elva, and it doesn't have a name, but I just used the red one, which is this one right here. And I just swirl it around. Ooh, I put too much. Entirely too much. Let's try to fix this up. I'm gonna go back in with Mirage and just swipe that on my cheek. I love these. They're all by NYX. This one, which I don't know, this one I actually got from Marshall's, and it doesn't have a name because it rubbed off, so I'm not sure. Ginger Snap Butter Gloss. And then inside I'm gonna be using the Butter Gloss, and that's in Praline. And then I'm gonna be using the Nameless Pink Gloss. And then I'm gonna go in with my NYX Lingerie Lip Gloss in Clear, and it's like it has a shimmer to it as well. It's so pretty. Okay guys, so this is my final look I achieved with this quick tutorial. Now this is what I do every day right before work when I'm running late. I still do this look. I still have time to do it. It's really not that hard, and you definitely can do it too. So if you like this look, obviously please like the video. Also subscribe to my channel for more great videos to come. Leave a comment, guys. I respond. I'll talk to y'all. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. Thank you for subscribing and still continue to support me. I love you guys. To my next video. Bye.